The SomniCloud is the first sleep device that offers truly effortless tracking in combination with proven sleep optimization technologies to create the ideal sleep environment. The SomniCloud features 2 connected pods that contain high-fidelity speakers and an efficient LED light source. These pods are able to provide specific light and audio cues to create the perfect sleep environment and signal to our brain that it's time for bed. When you're ready to go to sleep, just hop into bed. No buttons to push, no straps to adjust, no bracelets or pillow attachments. Just get into bed and the SomniCloud system will take care of the rest. The pods will automatically illuminate with long wavelength light to cue your brain that it's time for bed. At the same time, the pods will also begin administering calming audio consistent with your chosen sleepscape. The SomniCloud syncs with Nest and Ecobee thermostats to automatically set your thermostat to the perfect ambient temperature. After a preset time, the lights will automatically fade out, providing a dark sleep environment. As the SomniCloud recognizes that you're drifting off to sleep, it will slowly fade out all audio. The SomniCloud monitors your sleep throughout the night and can even track 2 separate users at the same time. In the morning, the SomniCloud Smart Alarm will be sure to wake you up prior to your preset wake time. Unlike traditional alarms, the SomniCloud gradually wakes you up by combining scientifically proven binaural beat technology with our simulated sunrise lighting cues. The binaural beats help slowly raise your brainwave frequency to bring you to a lighter sleep state. The simulated sunrise features emit short wavelength light consistent with an early morning sunrise. This light serves as a natural cue to your brain that it's time to wake up. As your preset wake time approaches, the SomniCloud will begin to emit a pleasant tone overlay, ensuring you wake up at the right time every time. Your app will automatically sync with your SomniCloud and present details of last night's sleep, including your overall sleep score, as well as time spent in awake, restless, light, and deep sleep states. No time to review? Simply ask Alexa for last night's sleep score.
Your sleep score was 71.
We're excited about SomniCloud, and we're launching here because we love the Kickstarter community and its willingness to invest in innovations that truly make people's lives better. And this is not our first campaign. We've done 3 previous crowdfunding efforts, and we've delivered on time every time. So thank you for your support.
With AI recognition algorithm and the newest robotic tech, the most advanced fighting robot is born. Gaio, the first-person shooter robot, guarantees you an unparalleled futuristic robot game experience. Camera and an AI chip allows the Gaio to auto-scan the environment with visual recognition. It is the first battle robot that can identify enemies and track them automatically. Connect the Gaio's vision by turning on your phone. Get a close-up and exclusive view of the fight. With Gaio's highly accurate steering gear, you can effortlessly track any target and open fire as your wish. Equipped with omnidirectional wheels and the motor which spins 12,000 rotations per minute, Gaio is more agile and faster than other robots. Scan a totem, and Gaio will equip you with more powerful weapons and abilities. Beat your enemies. The victory is all yours. The all-new battle system supports team fight. Invite your friends to team up. You will have more fun. Find a shield. Escape from the enemy's fire. Hide yourself. sneak attack. Protect your teammate. No mercy with your enemies. Seize the opportunity. Give enemies the final shoot. Gaio is the future of battle robot, which gives you the most incredible experience ever.
For many, space is at a premium in their studios and shops. Higher performing CNC machines are generally limited to larger form factors. Although smaller machines exist, they lack the power and precision that many individuals need. Introducing the Roudakit M series. The new Roudakit M series has all the perks of a larger CNC machine in a fraction of the size. It stands a little under 2 feet in height and is an easy fit for smaller workstations. Although the Roudakit M is the smallest CNC machine in our collection, it offers the same level of performance as our other models. We've worked hard to make sure that the M series does not compromise power for size. The M series is able to house heavy-duty spindles up to 3 kilowatts in power. In order to accommodate this, the entire framework of the machine is constructed out of high-strength aluminum alloy. This keeps the machine relatively light for transport while maintaining high rigidity as the machine is being used, making movements extremely precise and accurate. Using industrial-grade ball screws on all 3 axes, in conjunction with an optional reduction drive, the Roudakit M can deliver ultra-fine incremental movements as small as 1/100,000th of an inch. That is over 350 times thinner than a human hair. This makes it great for adding fine detail to jewelry or etchings on circuit boards. The Roudakit M series comes in 2 models, the M and the M Pro. The M Pro offers a greater cutting area and an optional rotary axis for making 3D parts. Now, whether you're new to CNC machines or you already own one, we are confident that our new Roudakit M series will help take your projects to the next level.
Let's talk about making a professional live stream. Definitely not this, but doing this.
Whoa!
First, you need a camera, 1 HDMI cable, a Life is Boring encoder, 2 HDMI cable, a computer, and prepaid software. Then you need a while to set everything up. Wrong port.
I'm sorry. Is there any better way?
Introducing YOLOBox, a revolutionary smart encoder that helps you do live stream like a pro. All you need to do is just link it to your camera with 1 HDMI cable. Or even go wireless if you have a GoPro.
Okay, what's next?
It's done.
That's it?
Once connected, simply tap to create an event. Set up name, time.
YOLO Live.
Select pre-linked platforms. And you're all set to go. 1080 live stream to Facebook, YouTube, Periscope, or other RTMP compatible platforms, one at a time. Or even multiple at the same time.
Question. Can I do live stream outdoor?
Yes! YOLOBox is super portable and supports all kinds of cameras such as DSLR, professional video, action cameras, and even drones for different scenarios, including outdoor setting. Plus, YOLOBox allows you to work using Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or 4G network, and all various ports just to make sure that you're connected all the time.
Considering all features, I guess we'll easily go over 1,000.
Look right. It's $359 only on Kickstarter. And even more, we set major parts of our cloud service for free for everyone.
Life story is so fascinating. It gives us a unique, intimate angle into someone's life. And let us be aware of incredible things going around at this exact moment.
That's why we are trying to make this accessible to everybody. So please join and back us.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands.